It's early and you're barely awake. You shuffle into the bathroom, eyes half closed, toothbrush in hand. The mirror shows a tired version of you, still caught between dreams and reality. You squeeze the toothpaste, maybe too much, maybe too little, and start brushing. The sound is steady, almost automatic, like your body knows the
Yeah,
routine
boy.
better than your mind. You lean against the sink, thinking about the day ahead. But the fog in your head hasn't cleared yet. Then, as you rinse and spit, something shifts. The cool water wakes you.
Whoa!
The mint taste feels fresh, and suddenly you are smiling, brushing your teeth half asleep, and not in struggle, but in reward. A small victory, a clean start, and the first win of your day.
Oh, yeah.